Hi, VencoreWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Monday, July 10th. This is kind of a famous day in meteorological history. July 10th, 1913 produced the hottest temperature ever reliably recorded on the planet in Death Valley, California. The temperatures that afternoon on July 10th, 1913 reached 134 degrees at the Greenland Ranch weather station in Death Valley, California. And again, to this day, that stands as the highest temperature ever reliably recorded. We have a full story on that particular event on the homepage of VencoreWeather.com. Take a look at it. It's quite an interesting story. Getting back to the weather over the next few days here in the Mid-Atlantic region across much of the eastern U.S. Looks like we'll have a hot stretch of weather basically from Tuesday through Thursday. A couple of shots at some strong to perhaps even severe thunderstorms over the next few days during this hot stretch. Very nice weekend indeed. It really ended in spectacular fashion on Sunday with low humidity for this time of the year. Plenty of sunshine and comfortable conditions on Sunday, but we turn much warmer today, and again it looks like it'll be pretty hot and unsettled Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Let's start off by looking at the 500 millibar height anomaly maps from the 6Z GFS model run. Still lots of blues here early this morning, Monday morning, up across southeastern Canada. Lower heights than normal, a pleasant morning here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Temperature-wise, mostly cloudy skies, a couple of scattered showers. As we move forward, though, and we'll move in 6-hour increments, ridging starts to develop right along the Mid-Atlantic coastline, and then it tends to back into the northeastern U.S. This is now by midweek. Instead of blues here, we're seeing oranges or higher heights than normal. Again, 90-plus degrees possible in D.C., Philadelphia, New York City, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Could even hit 90 later this afternoon in the D.C. metro region. This high-pressure region really sticks around right through Thursday or so. Then we have another frontal system that first makes an attempt to come through the I-95 corridor on Tuesday, and again it could cause some scattered strong to severe thunderstorms, especially from the Mason-Dixon line on north later Tuesday night. Then it stalls out, meanders around a couple of days, and by Thursday we'll see the surface map forecast here in a moment that gets kind of a secondary push and comes back southward on Thursday. Could cause some strong to severe thunderstorms in the I-95 corridor later Thursday night. And then by the time we get to the weekend, we'll see that the high-pressure region in the northeast, the high-pressure ridging in the northeast U.S. tends to fade away, and we actually get some blues showing up again here. This is by Saturday. Looks like much more pleasant by the time the weekend rolls around following a hot stretch Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Well, let's now walk through the surface forecast maps from the 6Z GFS model run. All these maps, by the way, available on tropicaltidbits.com. These are 6-hour increments. Here we are this morning. A couple of scattered showers around, especially across southeastern Pennsylvania. Mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures are quite pleasant this morning. They'll become noticeably warmer this afternoon. Let's move ahead here. This is early afternoon. Nothing more than a scattered shower or thunderstorm this afternoon. Do not expect any kind of a widespread rain event. Cannot rule out an afternoon shower or a thunderstorm. High temperatures jumping up into the upper 80s in most areas. Could even flirt with the 90-degree mark around the D.C. metro region. Then we move ahead into tomorrow morning, and there will be a frontal system dropping southeast across the Great Lakes, and it could cause some strong thunderstorms, especially north of the Mason-Dixon line, late Tuesday, early Tuesday night. That front slowly works its way to the coastline, right over the I-95 corridor by early Wednesday morning. There it stalls out. Wednesday looks like a hot day, maybe a scattered shower or thunderstorm. But then we go into Wednesday night and Thursday. Notice here Thursday morning, we have high pressure starting to build across southeastern Canada. That'll provide some added push to this frontal system, and low pressure here over the eastern Great Lakes. As we move through that day, that low tends to drop south and east right to a position over the south central part of Pennsylvania. So again, Could be some scattered strong to severe thunderstorms later Thursday and Thursday night associated with this kind of a secondary push of a frontal system. That front does look like it'll clear through here sometime on Friday. Still a little bit unsettled. Not as hot on Friday though. And then by the time Saturday rolls around here, we have high pressure edging its way into the northeast U.S. Probably high temperatures on Saturday in D.C., Philadelphia, New York City, low to mid 80s. But that'll follow some 90-plus degrees for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Again, 2 shots of strong to severe thunderstorms this week. It looks like later tomorrow and tomorrow night, especially north of the Mason-Dixon line, and then again late Thursday and Thursday night throughout the I-95 corridor. That's it for now. For VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.